Here we have a 20-plate BMW 320d M Sport Plus Edition. Now this vehicle comes with over £7,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the premium package, we also have the comfort, visibility and technology packages. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the oxide grey metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and we also have the front splitter as well, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom. Got colour coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the glass sunroof. It's currently open, can also get put onto a tilt with the shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler on the tailgate. We do also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and a reversing camera as well. Got the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser, and if you press this button on the remote then the boot will open just like so. Now inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space, goes quite far back, storage nets on both the left and the right hand side. We also have a button up here, press this button and then the boot will close again like so. And walking back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. We do also have the keyless entry on this vehicle. So as we walk up, then you'll find we have the interior just here, full leather interior. We've got the M Sport seats, foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We also have the climate control in the centre. You find the ambient lighting on the doors with the electric windows. We also have the same leather interior at the front. There's a look at the roof from the inside. Both these front seats are heated and also electrically adjustable, as you can see just there. We also have the memory function on the driver's side. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, the automatic lights down there, automatic wipers on that stalk, multifunctional steering wheel which is also heated. If you just take a seat inside, then you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle starts up for us. We've got the cruise control, speed limiter buttons just here on the left hand side, paddle shifters as well on either side. We've got the high beam assist on that stalk just there. Heated steering wheel button is here, so if you press onto that button then it will activate just like so. You can also see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the heads up display just up here. Now if the screen or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We've got the main screen here in the centre which is touchscreen, but we do also have the shortcuts down here, so it's currently showing the sat-nav. Click onto the media, then the radio stations will appear. We also have the music collection and the Bluetooth audio. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we do also have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle. We have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. If we go onto the main menu, go onto Car, onto the settings, you find the interior ambient lighting, plenty of colours which we can choose from. If we go onto orange, then you can see the lights change to orange. We do also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down you find the vents. We have the heated seats on either side, as called air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. Inside of here you find we have the wireless phone charging, we've got the cup holders, USB port and a 12-volt connectivity. Automatic gearbox of course with the different drive modes, so if we press onto here you see we have the Eco Pro, Comfort and also the Sport drive mode. If you put the car into reverse, then the reversing camera appears on the screen along with the parking sensors on the right hand side. Put it back into park just like so. We also have the electric handbrake just here, got the auto hold button as well. Leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Here we have this BMW 320d M Sport Plus Edition. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that I'm not fighting with the steering wheel, we're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right, we're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive you'll also be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now on the multifunctional steering wheel in front of me, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift to the left, and we've also got the digital dash menu button with the paddle shift behind. This vehicle also has the heads-up display in front of you, which shows the speed limit of the road and also the car's speed limit. This steering wheel is also heated by the button underneath the horn just here, so as you press it, it comes up on the dash whether it's on or off. We've also